All of these ads done in under 2 minutes. No designer, no Photoshop, just free AI. It's called Qwen Image and it creates professional marketing visuals with perfect readable text, even in 2 languages. Today, I show you exactly how to make scroll-stopping ads like this, starting right now. Qwen Image is Alibaba's new AI model built for businesses that want to turn ideas into polished marketing visuals in minutes. You type your idea and it creates an ad-ready image with clean, stylish text, even if it's bilingual or has a lot of detail. You can change words, colors, or style in seconds, and it still looks polished. And the best part? You can try it free right now on QuenChat or Hugging Face. No complicated setup. But here's the trick. The quality of your result depends on how you write your prompt. So, keep your text short and clear so it stays readable. Put that exact text inside quotation marks so the AI knows what to print. Tell it the style, mood, and exactly where to place the text. For example, at the top in bold gold letters. And always say what it's for. Instagram ad, product flyer, packaging, so the design matches the purpose. When you follow these rules, you are not just making random AI art, you are creating marketing-ready content for your business in minutes. First, let's access Qwen Image. On your browser, go to Hugging Face, search Qwen Image and click the demo, or use QuenChat for a more direct flow. Both are free. Let's make something together. Here's my prompt. Design a vibrant Instagram ad for a tropical fruit juice brand called Sunburst. Center focused. A chilled glass bottle filled with bright orange juice, splashes of juice and fresh slices of mango, pineapple, and orange flying around it. Background. Bright aqua with a sunny gradient. Bold white text at the top reads, "Pure sunshine in every sip." Add a thin white frame and a space at the bottom for logo and website. Click Generate, and in seconds, you have a clean, professional ad. This works because it's clear, specific, and tells the AI everything: the brand name, product, style, colors, text, and layout. That's how you get results you can post immediately. If you want to change something like the offer text, just update the prompt and regenerate. No designer, no extra cost, no waiting. For a pro finish, drop the image into Canva, add your logo or a promo code, and you've got a fully branded ad in under 10 minutes. You can use Qwen Image for Instagram ads, packaging designs, flyers, event promotions, anything that needs sharp visuals and readable text. And you can do it all without paying for a license.